Hi everybody! So today we are going to make a popsicle heart. Not popsicle, a popsicle flower. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a popsicle stick. You're going to need a pencil, glue, scissors, a green marker or paints, whatever you have available. And you are also going to need your favorite color paper. Mine is purple, so I'm going to use purple for the main part, and then I'm going to use green for the leaves, and then like a gold paper for the middle. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your green marker and popsicle stick, and you're going to color the whole thing green. And then once you have it green, like this, front and back, this is marker. Front and back, you're going to set this off to the side, let it dry for a little bit. Then what you're going to do next is you're going to take your favorite colored paper, and you're only going to fold one side of it. You can fold it however big you want your heart to be. Your paper again, and draw half a heart on each of the folds. And that's going to be your petals. Then once you have that done, you should have something like this. Make sure you have at least 4 of these. 2, 3, and 4. What you're also going to need to do is you're going to take your green paper and you're going to do the same thing. Fold one side of the paper, and then you're going to draw 2 half hearts on the folded side. Make sure it's on the folded side, like right here on the crease, and not right here. So once you have that done, you should have two hearts for your leaves. And then you're going to take your gold paper and you're going to draw a circle. No folding required. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to take everything that you have already done, and you're going to take your glue. You're going to take your glue and you're going to glue just the end of your petal. Just a little dot on the edge, like so. And what you're going to do next is you're going to take your popsicle stick and you're going to stick it on there, like so. You can keep it centered if you want to. It's all up to you. And you're just going to glue the rest of your petals on your stick. Okay, so once you have all of your petals glued on, you are going to take your glue and you're going to put some right in the middle. And then you're going to take your previously cut yellow dot and just pop it right on there. Give it a few minutes to dry. And then once that's settled, you are going to take your heart-shaped leaves. I just made this into a regular leaf. You are going to take your leaves and you can do the same thing. Just put some on the edge and then just stick it on your flower. The stem, I should say. And if you want to make it look just a little bit more realistic, you can draw a line just down the middle. And then do the same thing with your other side, wherever how many leaves you cut out, and just stick it on the stem. But that's all I have for today. So in the meantime, I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying the spring weather. Keep washing your hands, wear your mask. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye!